गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय एनबी क्लासेस अगेन। आज मैं आपको डीएवी स्कूल का चैप्टर 5 जिसका नाम है माय मदर, ये एक पोएम है जो एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम द्वारा लिखा गया है। इन्होंने इस पोएम में अपनी माँ के बारे में लिखा है कि उनकी मदर उनको हर एक पेनफुल में, हर एक डिफ़िकल्टीज़ में उनको हेल्प की है। तो ये पोएम उन्हीं के बारे में है। तो आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि इसका मैं क्वेश्चन आंसर जब स्टार्ट करूँगी तो उससे पहले आप मेरे इस चैनल को सबसे पहले आप सब्सक्राइब कर लें और हाँ, बेल आइकन जरूर दबाएं ताकि आपको मेरे आने वाले हर एक वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशंस मिल जाए। और हाँ, अगर ये पोएम आपको, अगर क्वेश्चन आंसर आपको स्टडीज़ में हेल्प किया हो तो प्लीज़ एक लाइक ज़रूर कर सकते हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर से, और क्वेश्चन आंसर बताऊँगी तो साथ में एक्सप्लेनेशन भी आपको समझ में आ जाएगा। सबसे पहले यहाँ स्टार्ट करते हैं अंडरस्टैंडिंग द पोएम से। एज द पोएट थिंक्स ऑफ हिज मदर सेवरल इमेजेस फ्लैश अक्रॉस हिज माइंड, राइट दोज इमेजेस इन द वेब चार्ट बिलो। तो मदर के बारे में यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है सी वेब्स है, पिलग्रिम्स फेथ, गोल्डन सैंड, रामेश्वरम मॉस्क स्ट्रीट। आगे बढ़ते हैं, बी नंबर मैच द फॉलोइंग है, वो मैं आपको बताती हूँ इसका आंसर। हेल्पफुल, इसका आंसर होगा शेयर्ड योर बेस्ट विथ हु एवर नीडेड द मोस्ट। अंडरस्टैंडिंग, you knew the pain of your child. 3 number religious, you always gave and gave with faith in him. Tender, you're caring and tenderly removing the pain. आगे बढ़ते हैं नंबर सी की तरफ। The poet's childhood days were full of struggle. Find out a few things that the poet had to do in his childhood to help the family. Answer is APJ Abdul Kalam had a large and poor family. He had to work hard to support his parents. The poet had to get up early in the morning. After that, he go to the saintly teachers for taking lessons. He had to walk miles to get education. He used to distribute newspaper among the people in the morning. Next, come to number D. यहाँ पर बच्चों एक्सट्रैक्ट दिया हुआ है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर बताना है। तो एक्सट्रैक्ट में पढ़ रही हूँ पहले। यू कम टू मी लाइक हेवंस केयरिंग आर्म्स, आई रिमेंबर द वार डेज व्हेन लाइफ वाज चैलेंज एंड टॉल। टॉल मतलब होता है हार्ड वर्क करना। माइल्स टू वॉक आवर्स बिफोर सनराइज। क्वेश्चन है हु आर यू एंड मी इन द अबव लाइन्स। आंसर इज यू रेफर्स टू एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम्स मदर एंड मी रेफर्स टू एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम। कम टू नंबर बी। Identify the figure of speech used in the first line and explain it. Answer is the figure of speech is simile. His mother's arm like the God's caring arms. Number C. Mention two things that made the poet's life difficult. Answer is two things that made the poet's life difficult are number 1, to walk miles of distance in the morning. Number 2, the war day when life was challenge and toil. Question number D. Why did the poet have to walk so much early in the morning? Answer is the poet have to walk so much early in the morning to take lessons from the saintly teacher and then to mosque for religious education. Then he had to collect newspapers from the station and then he had to go to school. Number 2 का extract है, all these pain of a young boy, my mother, you transformed into pious strength with kneeling and bowing 5 times. Question A. Who is the young boy? Answer is the young boy is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number B. What pain is he talking about? Answer is the poet is talking about the pain of leading a difficult life where he has to study as well as work in order to earn money to support his family. Question number C. What was this pain transformed into? How did this transformation take place? Answer is all pain somehow gave way to strength in him. He would have to kneel and bow down 5 times, which symbolizes prayers in Muslims. Come to question number D. What do you understand by kneeling and bowing 5 times? Answer is kneeling and bowing 5 times is way of praying to the God in the Muslim custom. Horse question. How did the poet's mother act as a source of inspiration to the poet? Answer is his mother had faith in God. When the poet was tired or depressed, she gave him courage to cope up with the hardships which he had. Her love, caring, and faith in God helped the poet get strength to face this world without fear. Life skills. There are many ups and downs in man's life, but one should not lose hope. Discuss this statement with reference to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who became the President of India. Answer is APJ Abdul Kalam, who lived in Rameswaram, had a very painful childhood. As a young boy, he had to walk several miles to the railway station to collect newspapers which were dropped from a running train. He used to collect tamarind seeds and sell them. He earned his first wages and was very happy. He never lost hope. He, on account of his willpower, became the President of India. Therefore, we should not lose hope because of temporary ups and downs in life. Now come to number 4, values. Sleeping on your lap to the envy of elder brothers and sisters. Why were the elder brothers and sisters envious of the poet? Is envy good? Discuss. Answer is Dr. Abdul Kalam was the youngest child in his family. He worked very hard. He had to walk a long distance to go to school. He had to earn money to support his family. Sometimes he became very disappointed, so he wept at night. His mother loved and cared him a lot. She would make him sleep in her lap. His elder brothers and sisters were envious. They thought mother loved him more than them. Envy is both good and bad. It is good if we emulate others and improve ourselves. It is bad if we just feel jealous and get hurt, because in this case we don't focus on our own development. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आपको ये वीडियो आपकी स्टडीज़ में ज़रूर हेल्प किया होगा। तो प्लीज़ आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप मैंने इस चैनल को सबसे पहले सब्सक्राइब कर लें और हाँ बेल आइकन ज़रूर दबाएं, और मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में भी लिखिए आपको कौन सा वीडियो चाहिए। मैं कोशिश करूँगी अपने वीडियो में लाने के लिए। अगर ये आपको वीडियो आपकी स्टडीज़ में हेल्प किया हो तो प्लीज़ एक लाइक ज़रूर कर सकते हैं। आज के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू। देखते रहें एनबी क्लासेस। बाय बाय।